our expectations, ano nga ba yung layunin ng orientation na ito? So isa-isahin po natin. Here's our orientation objectives. Number 1 is to discuss the key provision of the memorandum. Our second objective is to walk through the forms, online or collection and consolidation system. And our third objective for this orientation is to address concerns and queries related to the memorandum. So we hope that by the end of this session, mas magiging malinaw ang ating roles and responsibilities pagdating sa PMES implementation. So at this point, we are ready to dive deeper into the interim guidelines of PMES for teachers. So to walk us through the key provisions of the interim guidelines, let us all welcome the PDO5 and the Chief of Bureau of Human Resource and Organizational Development, Human Resource Development Division, Ms. Cecil Anyayahan.
Thank you very much, Joyka. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. So, maligayang araw ng mga puso po sa ating lahat. At sabi nga po ni Yusek, naway sa araw na ito, yan, magkaroon po tayo ng tanggap po para sa RPMS and Rapid Performance Management System and Evaluation System for Teachers for school year 2024-2025. So bago po ako magsimula, let me start off with what are the issues that have been found in the previous implementation of the RPMS PPSC. As you can see in the slide, and po, these are the three issues reported about the RPMS PPST. First one, excessive workload and burden, especially as mentioned by Yusek in the preparation of teacher's portfolio. And the second one is that the idea of too many MOVs and costly RPMS portfolio, which requires po producing different MOVs, in fact, duplicate copy, triplicate, and many more. So, yan po yung nakarating po sa atin na feedback about the RPMS PPST. The third one is what we call subjective performance assessment, possibly in the absence of the rubric, the appreciation of the document, and many results that we can cite based on the feedback that we gather. So, based on this, we are actually in the process of revising already DepEd Order number 2, or the previous RPMS policy po natin. However, the revised DepEd Order on the Performance Management and Evaluation System is still at a finalization phase. So, the interim guidelines on PMES for teachers for this school year is issued with a very good news for each and every one of us, specifically yung simplified process and the requirements for our teachers. So,